Okay guys, so time for a quick real anodizing titanium. You see, I bought some things. So because electric supply with changeable volt amperes are expensive over here, I just bought some 9 volts batteries, which I will make in a chain. Soda bicarbonate, I don't know how it is in English, plastic containers, pure water, some crocodiles, cable, wire, titanium piece and titanium wire. You see what I'll do with it. Just a second to pause the video and to make the setup ready. Okay guys, so really fast forward to what I've done. So I have a cup with the pure water and a plastic container full of pure water and sodium. So I've made this thing. I've cut a wire from the titanium wire and wrap around the titanium gear, and the other part is going to be our plus, and on the other side our ground will be a metal inserted in the plastic container, and this will be to our negative on the batteries. So now I'll just chain these batteries and show you after that what's going to happen. Okay, a couple of fast words before that. Why I've done everything now. This part is connected with a titanium wire because it will anodize the real titanium part. I've watched a lot of videos and read about a lot, and this must be titanium wire. You can connect directly to the EDC item, but the wires of this thing won't touch the water. It must be kept away from the water. Here, this plastic container, plastic does not move electricity around, so our ground is connected here to this item, which is metal, and this is our negative, our ground. So I'll connect the batteries just like this, and now I will have a ground and a positive. Positive will be the red one, and negative ground will be this one. Yeah, see, minus and plus. Because I have two batteries and they will be connected like this, this will be 3 times 9 volts, so 27 volts. It will give something bluish, I think. If you have only 2 batteries connected, it will give 18 volts, so it will be bronze goldish. Just a sec to connect everything and continue from there. Okay guys, the batteries are connected. You can hear a little cracking, it's from the electricity. Now I'll put safety glasses and plastic rubber gloves, because they won't conduct electricity. Just a second and I will continue. Okay, so connecting the, let me just put this here. Yeah, it will be visible, I think, what's going on. Okay, so this cable and this cable, I'm gonna wrap them like this. Okay, so what we have? Red to the positive and background to the negative. This one is already connected here, so we have just to put the titanium piece into the solution. And just a second to put my other glove, so to have some protection against the electricity. Okay, so it is important that this part never touch the water where the gear is connected. Let me just put it back here. My crocodiles are so small. Okay, putting it. Yeah, it started to bubble, and you see we have maybe some golden color. Just a couple more seconds to see what will become better lightning. I think it started to go bluish now. Yeah. Yeah. Just a couple more seconds and I'll show you the result as well. Again, we should put it in the water to clean and to stop all of the things. Yeah. Let me disconnect everything because we have electricity after all, and we just have an amazing anodized titanium piece with nice blue color. You can see it's not perfect, but for first couple of seconds I think it's perfect. Yeah, really nice. Okay guys, I was Picaroon Tools. I'm also Berserk. This was my quick tutorial. It is actually my first attempt doing this, so I think it came very nice. The colors are really deep. Sorry, I can't focus very well, but it is very nice looking. Yeah, oh yeah, you see this blue color. Okay guys, see you soon again.